The Nissan Rogue S comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that achieves best-in-class 33 miles per gallon highway and is backed by 170 horsepower and 175 pound-feet of torque. Features include LED daytime running lights, Eco Mode, rear-view monitor, advanced drive assist display, 70 cubic foot cargo capacity, and divide and hide cargo system. Tall, short, long, wide, big, whatever it is, Rogue's 70 cubic feet of cargo space and versatile class-exclusive divide and hide cargo system can handle it. With the Nissan Rogue, you'll want to take the long road home. For more information on this vehicle or to schedule a test drive, please call Tynan's Nissan at 888-603-9677. Tynan's has been family-owned and operated for over 50 years. We are Colorado's #1 Nissan dealer and have Colorado's largest selection of new Nissans. We continue to be a nationwide leader in customer satisfaction and will meet or beat anyone's price. So what's stopping you? Come by today on Havana in Aurora, under Denver's largest American flag.